In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all events on Google Calendar. If you've been using Google Calendar for a while, you might find that old or irrelevant events clutter your schedule, making it hard to see the things that matter. Well, today we'll go through a step-by-step process to clear all those events, allowing your calendar to breathe again without losing your actual calendar setup. First, let's start by opening Google Calendar on your desktop. It's important to remember that while this process works best on a desktop version, some features might not be available on mobile. Make sure you're logged into the correct Gmail account that holds the calendar you want to clean up. Once you're in Google Calendar, take a look on the left-hand side of the screen under the section labeled My Calendars. You will see a list of all the calendars associated with your account. Now hover over the specific calendar from which you'd like to remove all events. When you hover, you'll notice three vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options icon, appearing next to the calendar name. Go ahead and click on these dots. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll choose Settings and Sharing. In the Settings section, you'll need to scroll down until you reach a category titled Remove Calendar. Here lies the option that we're looking for, Clear Calendar. By selecting this, you initiate the process of erasing all events currently scheduled within the chosen calendar. Remember, this will delete everything: meetings, reminders, birthdays. Any event you've added to the calendar will be removed. After clicking Clear Calendar, Google Calendar will ask you to confirm your action. You'll see an option to permanently delete all events. Confirming this action is necessary to ensure that you're absolutely sure about removing them, as this step cannot be undone. Once you click to confirm, all events in that particular calendar will be erased permanently. However, the calendar structure itself will remain intact, which means you can start afresh by adding new events as you desire, and that's it. Your calendar is now free from all previous events, giving you a clean slate to work with. This is especially useful if you're planning a major life change, starting a new project, or just want to declutter your digital life. Remember, while this method securely wipes your events, it does leave your calendar's structure and sharing settings untouched, letting you retain your personalized calendar setup. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your time more efficiently. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe